The PET bottle has become a pack of choice for manufacturers and consumers for many reasons. Its versatility and transparency, as well as its many economic and environmental benefits. It's strong, resealable, shatterproof, lightweight, and most importantly, recyclable, even back into the production of new bottles. This creates employment, contributes to our GDP, and makes it much better for the environment. It's too valuable to be thrown in with the rubbish. Recovering it has created more than 50,000 income opportunities for value chain entrepreneurs around the country to date. They quality sort and compact the bottles they've collected using these baling machines, which allows them to transport the bales economically and efficiently to state-of-the-art recycling plants. Here, through advanced technologies, the process of recycling them back into bottles begins. The bales are fed in and separated here, passing under a permanent magnet that removes any metal. This is recycled elsewhere. The bottles are carried into a second part of the process that separates sand and dirt from the bottles before having all their labels removed here. The labels are collected to be recycled later. High-speed, near-infrared cameras scan the bottles over multiple levels, sorting them by color and type of plastic. The sorted bottles are then ground into flakes. These flakes are sucked up here and whisked off to this separator, which removes light fractions such as films and residual label from each flake. The flakes are now thoroughly washed over 3 stages. All other plastics, like bottle caps that were caught up with the flakes, are removed in the last stage and recycled elsewhere. This giant sieve filters out small bits of PET too tiny to continue. The flakes then pass through a metal detector and then are sorted with ultimate precision by the laser scanner to select only the very best PET. Through a number of carefully controlled processes that are completely enclosed to ensure everything remains hygienic, the flakes are progressively heated as they are prepared to become bottle-grade PET again. After a number of hours spent resting at high temperature, the flakes are finally melted here and extruded into strands that are then chopped into tiny pellets. The pellets move across these vibrating screens that keep their temperature constant, and then they're sent to these air dryers, where they are left to rest. The pellets are then cooled and bagged, filling 1,000 kilogram bags to be taken off and made again into new PET plastic bottles. Through this rigorous and technologically advanced process, recycled PET is ensured safe, hygienic, and of course, made entirely from the bottles you recycle. Plastic bottles are not trash.